Everyone, welcome to this module. In this module, we're looking at the factors of production, basically labor markets, and how prices are made in labor markets. When you finish school, your income will be determined largely by what kind of job you take. If you become a computer programmer, you'll earn more than if you become a gas station attendant. The fact is not surprising, but if it's not obvious why it is true, no law requires the computer programmers be paid more than gas station attendants, but the market will dictate that. No ethical principle says that the programmers are more deserving. What then determines which job will pay you the higher wage? Your income, of course, is a small piece of a large economic picture. People earn this income in various ways. Workers earn about 2/3 of it in forms of wages and fringe benefits. The rest went to landowners and to the owners of capital, that's the machines, the economy's stock of equipment and infrastructure. In the form of rent, profit, and interest was the remaining part. What determines how much goes to the workers, to the landowners, to the owners of capital? Why do some workers earn even higher wages than others? Some landowners have higher rental income than others, and some capital owners greater profits than others. Why in particular do computer programmers earn more than gas station attendants? To answer these questions, like most in economics, hinge on supply and demand. The supply and demand for labor, land, capital determine the prices that will be paid to workers, landowners, and capital owners. To understand why some people have higher incomes than others, therefore we need to take a look more deeply at the markets for the services they provide. That is our job in this and the next couple modules that we focus on. In many ways, the factor markets resemble the markets for goods and services we've analyzed in previous chapters, but they are different in one important aspect. The demand for a factor production is a derived demand. That is, a firm's demand for a factor production is derived from its decisions to supply a good in a market. The demand for computer programmers is inseparably linked to the supply of computer software, and the demand for gas station attendants is inseparably linked to the supply of gasoline. In this chapter, we analyze factor demand by considering how a competitive, profit-maximizing firm decides how much of any factor to buy. We begin our analysis by examining the demand for labor. Labor is the most important factor of production because workers receive most of the total income earned in the U.S. Later in this module, we're going to see that our analysis of labor markets only applies to the markets and for other factors of production. So hopefully after this module, you'll kind of see how wages are determined and what determines patterns in wages as well. I look forward to your effort this week.